Hey, what's up people, Martin Unix here, and welcome again to another educative day. Today I'm going to show you on how to do twist out bun. That is, I'm going to show you on how to do a colorful twist out bun on extended dreadlocks. Welcome guys. That way guys, we are going to kick off by applying some temporary color on our extended dreadlocks. That is, which now will give out another finishing look. That is an attractive look on our bun. That way we will just kick off by separating the strands. I'm gonna pick the middle strands, which I'm gonna apply the color. And that way I'm going to separate them from the rest of the strands. It's gonna be a touch of color, guys. We are not going to do all the strands. Alright guys, now we are through with our temporary color application, and just to tip you guys, this color is usually applied and left out for some few minutes to dry up. It's a nice color which can take you up to 21 days until your next retwist. So let's kick off our styling. So we are going to start by securing our strands to the middle. That is, I'm going to secure my strands to a middle pony at the center. That is where we are going to work from. We kick off by doing a 2-strand twist on the hanging strands. That is our ponytail, and this is the way to go about it, guys. If you don't know how to do the 2-strand twist, just for the sake of our beginners, I'm gonna show some few strands, then we go ahead and do the bun. And we have a video on my channel that we did some time back. You can also as well go back on my channel and check out on how to do the 2-strand twist. But just for the sake of our beginners, we are going to show how this. I will kick off by twisting the colored part. Remember guys, these are temporary locks. These are extended locks. So texture of the strands will differ from the natural locks. And having the temporary locks doesn't mean that you can't do styles. So that's why I'm here to show you on how you can mold different hair strands into desired styles. So guys, by doing 2-strand twist, we mean that you usually pick 2 strands like this, then you wrap them around up to the end, just like this, guys. That way. That's how you do the 2-strand twist. That way. Like that. Up to the end. This time around, guys, I'm using rubber band to secure the strands. I'm not using yarn. So you can have a look on how I just placed my rubber bands on one of my fingers, just to fasten the process. Alright guys, now I'm through with the twist outs. And as well as you can see, I've done some colorful twist outs here at the center, which now we are going to use to bring that touch of color on our style. So just for the sake of our beginners, this will be a bun just like the other bun we did some time back, although I'm gonna be detailed a little bit. And the only change is that on this particular bun we have done 2-strand twist outs. I just wanted to show you on how you can do a bun using 2-strand twist and on a temporary extension, that is. So let's kick off, guys. is the way to go about it. You hold your strands up to a middle pony, just like this, as you kick off your bun. That way, guys. Then you are going to pick strands one after the other. You can either go with 2 strands, 3 or 4 strands. You can as well go with 1 strand. On my case, guys, since we have beginners on the channel, let's kick off using 1 strand. So this is my strand, guys. I will kick off by wrapping it around, just like this. Moving up once, that way, guys, and my strand ends at this particular area. Now upon reaching this particular area, guys, I'm going to pick another strand, just like this. Remember, guys, just for the sake of our beginners, we have decided to go with 1 strand. Reinforce and secure the ending tip from the first strand. Go around up to that particular area. You see? Now this will be the size of our bun. That way, guys, the rest of the strands we are going to wrap them around as we go backwards to the base. I hope you're getting what I'm doing, guys. You pick a strand after each other, just like that. Secure the end from previous tip strand, that is. Make sure you go around, just like that, up to the base. That way, guys. Pick another strand. Make sure you follow certain pattern just to bring rhythm on your bun. That way. So, guys, remember we are going to use the colored part. It's our final kick. That way, guys, it's very simple. You pick a strand after the other, wrap it around the bun towards the base of the bun. Try and secure your strand at the bottom like that. This time around, now strands are securing themselves at the bottom, other than there before where strands were getting finished on our way. Then we secure using the rest of the strands by securing the ending tip of the strand. That way, guys. Alright guys, if you have been following my pattern, I've been doing certain pattern, that is I've been arranging my strands in a certain sequence, that is, which is now bringing out this kind of style. This is our final strand guys. Now I'm just going to wrap it around, then we pick the current part. You just tuck it at the bends, just like that. That way guys. Now this is our current section. We are going to decorate our bun using the current section. That way guys. If you are new here on my channel guys, kindly subscribe and share my work to your friends so that they can impart themselves with some knowledge as pertains to hairdressing content. And this is our final strand guys. And this is our final outcome guys. You can have a look. It's a quick style for beginners. It's a twisted bun. It's a twisted bun, that is. And it's a colorful one guys. You have seen how I've done my color. You can try and improve that guys. I trust you can do better than this. You can see how our color is giving out another look on our bun. It's a nice look guys. It's wow. Hey guys, I hope my tutorial has been amazing. I hope it has been educative. It has been educative to our slow learners, as well as being an eye opener to our fast learners. I hope you guys are learning with me. I promise to bring more content as time comes by. So guys, like my work, comment and share to your friends, and stay locked guys for more tutorials to come. Thank you and welcome.